Come test drive the 2025 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, perimeter alarm, roof rack, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.